So hi YouTube friends and followers, I finally have access to the ABS pump here on the W163/ML500 ML320. So now my entire objective is to get this ABS pump out of the ML500 and change it with another ABS pump. So this pump is supposedly on rubber mounts and it should come out. I guess I'll know. I don't really have any plugs to plug the brake lines up. I thought about changing them one by one, but looks like this is like an all or nothing deal. You just got to get the thing out and put the new one in. So I'm thinking about wrapping tin foil around the brake lines and some tie wraps or something to try and keep them from leaking. Okay, well, thanks for watching and have a great day.